These sacred truths are self-evident. The proper study of apes is apes. But certain young cynics have chosen to study man. Yes, perverted scientists who advance an insidious theory called evolution.
Fight for your team, you love your soul. I will be unhappy, I let you go. I'm sad. You've been out all night. Know you've been bad. Don't tell me different. No, it's a lie. Come to me, honey. See how I cry. Why must you hurt me? Do what you do. Listen here, girl. Can't you see I love you? Make a little effort. Try to be true. I'll be happy, not so blue. Telling me those lies, still going out with other guys. There'll come a day I'll be gone. Take my advice, won't be long. When that day comes, won't be mad. Be free of you, but I'll still be sad.
In contrast, Russian elections are rigged. Political opponents are imprisoned or otherwise eliminated from participating in the electoral process. The result is an absence of checks and balances in Russia and the decision of one man to launch a wholly unjustified and brutal invasion of of Ukraine. Iraq, anyway. 75.